here's the plugs. What I actually do is I have a basket for my plugs, and I've been known to like gift these a lot. So like my mother-in-law, I have some aunts, love these things. So usually what I do is anytime we have like a free deal, I will pick these up. And then this was one that we had in the fall. Remember that came with one of the gift sets. So I don't buy a lot of these. If I find something I like for Christmas, I will pick a couple up. I really like this one. Oh my gosh, this one is so pretty. I use this one a lot myself. And then I really liked these. I picked up a couple of these, but I don't unwrap them if I feel like I'm going to gift them. So for the most part, I just stick them in a basket like this on my shelf back here. So that way I kind of have easy access to the plugs. Over the years, I have gotten like some of the light ups. I like these. I use these, during the year for different holidays. So I'm going to go through these and I'm going to put them in order by season. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all my Christmas ones in the decorative box because I tend not to like Christmas scents other than at Christmas. So let me see if I can do this. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to just start grabbing cinnamon and clove buds. Funny story is I picked up a bunch of cinnamon and clove buds for like 50 cents at a semi-annual sale. So that is Christmas. Pumpkin apple. This is fall. So what I'm going to do in this box is I'm going to put all my fall off to one side. Fall is going to be on the right. Spring and summer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do florals on the far left, and in the center, I'm going to do more of the tropical stuff that's more summer. So let's see what this looks like when I'm done. Fresh orange. That one is definitely summer. If you hear beeping, oh my gosh, my Slack keeps going off. I'm like, why is this doing this? I'm like, holy moly, it just cracks me up. So please ignore the beeping. Harvest gathering. This is fall. That will go. I'm going to do like a couple rows of each and see how far I get. I'll show you my progress. Oh my gosh. Don't do this, you guys. Don't do this. Check it out. I have a mystery one. What is this? This is winter. I know what it is. At least I can identify them. So that's going on the far right in my Christmas box because they're unidentified. Unidentified wallflowers. Snowy peachberry. I might set a couple over to gift. I did not like snowy peachberry at all. That's going to my mother-in-law. She'll love it. Winter. I have another winter. Let me just compare. Yep, that was winter. I knew it was winter. So I have two winters here. I'm going to stick these next to each other so I know. Always keep the tag on. I was just complaining in my last video. This is such a stupid thing to complain about. I don't like these black labels. Oh my gosh. How much prettier is it when we've got like a decorative label? Oh my gosh. I just think they're so much prettier. I don't like these like nondescript labels. They're just not as pretty. I just picked up pineapple mango, so that's going in my fruit section for summer. Rosewater and ivy, floral, spring. Fresh balsam, definitely Christmas. I'm going to try and put my balsam ones towards the bottom so I have those a little bit more like micro-organized. Blueberry pie, fall. Pumpkin pecan waffles, fall. Pumpkin apple. I know I have a couple of pumpkin apples, so I'm going to actually try and put those together and get all organized here so that I know where they are. Like I said, it drives me nuts when I look in this box and all the seasons are mixed up. I'm like, that cannot be happening. Oh, you guys, this is so funny. So I just did my haul, okay? And you know how I checked my bag over there? I had one wallflower in there. Luckily, these are sturdy. I got Blue Ocean Waves. This is actually a new one. I'm going to open this one just to see what this one smells like. I was like, I picked up the bag and I'm like, why is this bag heavier than a bag? Turns out I had one more. This has no scent. Oh, wait a minute. Not a lot. It's really light. Oh my gosh, this has a barely there scent. It kind of smells like a fresh scent. It's, what is it? It's fresh and relaxing. It's like fresh and nothing. That's very light. Okay, so what is this one called? This one is Blue Ocean Waves. This one's super light. I'm actually going to do another subsection. So I'm actually going to put fresh scents all in a row, you guys. Okay, this is getting crazy. Warm apple pie, that is fall. I try not to buy a lot of each one unless it's something I use a lot. Like 'Tis the Season, I use a lot during the holidays. I tend to be someone who uses these more in the fall and the winter. But lately I've been kind of getting into the spring scents. Mango dragon fruit. That's a good one. I remember this one. That one smells good. I really like this one. Okay, so this one is going to go with my spring fruit ones. Thanks and Giving. Thanks and Giving is actually tricky because that's a fall one. That's not actually Christmas. Peppermint sugar cookie. Okay, that's Christmas. Cozy Cashmere is Christmas. I'm going to try and turn down my keyboard here because this is driving me crazy that my Slack is going up every 2 seconds. There we go. I think I did it, you guys. Working girl here. My day job. Evergreen. Evergreen was so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Vanilla Bean Noel, that is a Christmas. My Christmas box is kind of filling up here. Okay, Caramel Pumpkin Swirl, that is fall. Now, I got one row done. Can you see in there? So I can get 6 right in a row. So that, and they fit really nicely. There's like no gap there, which I really like. Blueberry Sugar, that's a good one. That's going to go with the bakery. In the Christmas. Oh, Lavender Pine. That is a good Christmas one. Watermelon Lemonade. Fruity Summer. Perfect Autumn. I think I have 2 of these. Maybe not. That's an older label. I like that label, though. Leaves. You know me. Leaves is okay for me. Another mystery one. Oh, my gosh. Let's see if I can guess. Oh, Fresh Balsam. That was easy. Oh, my God. That's Fresh Balsam. Okay, that's going to go by the other Fresh Balsam. Evergreen, that is another one that is the pine one. All my pine ones are at the bottom here. Fresh Fall Morning. This is actually a Christmas one. Even though it says Fresh Fall, that's like the most Christmas one ever. That's a strong one too. Oh, Waikiki Beach Coconut. I've got one of these that I put in the I didn't put this one in the living room. I've got Island Margarita and Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit in the living room and dining room. I did my furniture with Waikiki Beach Coconut. I actually went out there for a minute to grab all this stuff, and I'm like, boy, my living room, dining room smells like a tropical paradise. Oh, the Perfect Christmas. That one is going to go in Christmas. Fresh Orange. I have 2 Fresh Orange. If I try, I like to remember if I have a second one, and then I can put them together, which is always good. The Perfect Autumn. I have 2 of those. So let's put these together. I have 2 rows now of fall. Mango Mai Tai. Gotta love Mango Mai Tai. That's a good one. I don't have a lot of florals. Chocolate Peppermint Cream. That's going to go in Christmas. Let me see here. What is this? Spiced Apple Toddy. Christmas. Winter. I have another winter. I have 3 winters. See, this is another good reason to do this. So now I have to make a note to myself next year. Don't buy winter, because I got 3 of them. Linen and Lavender. That's going to go in my spring florals. Vanilla, Pumpkin, and Marshmallow. That is a fall. I got 2 full rows of fall now. This is shaping up so nicely. Honeycrisp Apple. That's fall. Let's see. Vanilla Chai Latte. Where does this go? I'm going to put this with spring, but I'm going to put it between tropical and floral because it's kind of like a different scent. White Winter Woods. That's a Christmas. Oh, my new ones. Coconut Cream Pie. Again, that's going with the not floral, not tropical. I got a row here for those. That's awesome. Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, fall. Eggcorn Lane. Look at the Eggcorn Lane. This one was awesome, you guys. Fall. Oh, cinnamon clove buds. This is the one that I think I got for 50 cents, that style. But because I have a couple of these, I'm going to put those in a row there. Okay, got that going. Pumpkin spice latte. This is a really good fall one. Gotta love that one. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got another warm apple pie. Okay, I gotta find my other warm apple pies so I can scoot them together so that I know what's going on. Oh, this is looking so nice. I am so happy now that these are all together. Cranberry Woods. It's a fall. Okay, so now my fall is starting to overtake everything, so I got to move everything over a little bit, but that's okay. So I'm going to hold this up. I've got 3 rows of fall. Check that out. Notice how the fall have the white lids. That's kind of interesting. I'm like, I did not know that. Oh, Vampire Blood. This one is a black lid. Okay, Vampire Blood is definitely fall. Pumpkin Clove. That is a fall. I have a lot of fall. Twisted Peppermint. That's going to go with the holiday traditions. Black Cherry Merlot. That's one of the foodie ones that's neither tropical nor floral. That's going kind of in that center area. Hot Cocoa and Cream. That is Christmas. This is actually going really well. Frozen Lake is Christmas. These are the new ones. Oh, Welcome Home. That is definitely fall. I got these new ones. Sea Salt and Lime. That's kind of tropical, and that's kind of, I don't know where to put that one. Bubbly Rosé. That's going to kind of go in a floral. Same with Pink Lilac and Vanilla. So that way I know where to find these. This is shaping up so nicely. I hope they all fit because I don't want any spaces. Spiced Apple Toddy. I'm a little bit worried now because it looks like my Christmas is actually filling up. The one thing I don't like about the Christmas box is there's a little bit of a gap in this one. I prefer boxes where there's no gap, but I'll show you in a minute. Merry Mimosa. This is actually one that came out at Christmas, but I'm going to put this with like the Black Cherry Merlot because I've always felt that Merry Mimosa was more of a spring scent, and I have room in the box. Blueberry Maple Pancakes. Oh, definitely fall. Lavender Vanilla. Did this come out in the fall? To me, this is more of a spring scent. I'm putting this actually in these spring florals. That way I'll remember where it is. Tis the Season. Oh, I have a second Tis the Season. Let me put that in its place. Pumpkin Cupcake. That's a good one. Okay, I'm getting a little bit crazy on the fall here. Cinnamon Clove Buds. I told you, I got a whole bunch of these because it was, those were the ones that were on sale for 50 cents. I'm like, I gotta buy them. I think I had a coupon too. Oh, Evergreen. Holy moly, I am running out of room in Christmas. I might have to rearrange a little bit. Uh-oh. We might have to switch some of these to fall. Oh my gosh, a mystery one, you guys. Another one. What is this? Oh. This is like caramel swirl, I think. That's definitely fall. That's definitely caramel swirl. Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. See, this is the one that I got going in the living room. I love that one. Or is it the dining room? I don't know. I can't remember. One of them in the living room. I think I got Island Margarita in the dining room right now. Okay, so that goes with the tropical collection. Winter Candy Apple. Okay, Winter Candy Apple. Uh-oh. Winter Candy Apple. Blueberry Sugar. You know what I'm going to do, you guys? I'm going to go against what I thought I was going to do. Blueberry Sugar is going to actually go in the foodies between tropical and spring floral. Because you know what? This is a year-round scent. It doesn't necessarily scream Christmas. Okay, so I'm going to put this one here. And then this is going to work. So you got to do some adjustments, you guys, when you're doing this, because you're going to run into problems like me. Let's see. What else do we have here? Oh, strawberry pound cake. I only have one strawberry pound cake left, I think, which is just, that's tragic. I need to get some more strawberry pound cake. I've burned this one a couple times, or burned. I always say burned, plugged it in. You don't burn these, you plug them in. This is going to go with these tropical, between tropical and floral. I really don't have a lot of floral ones, you guys. What do we have next? Marshmallow Fireside. That's fall. This is definitely fall. Got another row for fall. I have a backup plan This isn't very strong. I have a backup plan if I need to swap some out because I want this one to be full. Look, it's almost full. Look at that. This is gorgeous. I've got 4 more left. I'm actually going to put Snowy Peachberry in here until I give this to my mother-in-law, but it's not going in. I guess it'll go in Christmas. I got 1 spot left in Christmas. I might have to adjust here. Pink Fairy Gumdrop. Pink Fairy Gumdrop can also be a Valentine's Day scent, so it's going next to Strawberry Pound Cake in the spring section. Look at that. Oh, Paris Cafe. That is definitely a foodie. And then I've got 1 more. And I have another Pink Fairy Gumdrop. Okay, so I'm going to put the Pink Fairy Gumdrops up here. Okay, so this is bothering me. So check it out. I've actually got this thing almost full around. What I don't like is when they jiggle around. I want this thing to be full, and then that way I can just take them out and use them. So what I'm going to do is I've got my Christmas one here. I'm okay with these jiggling around a little bit more. So what I'm going to do in fall is I'm going to put my 3 winters, because you know how we usually get winter earlier. So I'm going to put the 3 winters in fall. I know that's kind of, I don't know about that, but that's okay. You can do this. I'm going to put White Winter Woods in fall because it makes sense to me. So long as it makes sense to you in your head, it's totally okay. I don't want to put any of the evergreens. Spiced Apple Toddy is going to go in here for fall. And then, let's see, what else do I have? Fresh Fall Mornings. Move it back to fall, you guys. How funny is that? It was winter, and now it's moving back to fall. What other ones? I actually have 3 spots left. You know what? I'm actually going to stop because I'm doing pretty good. I've got my Christmas ones in here, which I feel good about. So I'm going to close this one up, and then you can set this on your shelf. It's all ready to go. Let me set this over here. Oops. I need more space. Uh-oh. See, this is a problem, you guys. I just knocked these over. Oh my gosh. See, this is why you need them to all stand up neatly. Okay, this is when your organization system goes bad. This is like an organizational fail. So, you know what I usually do? Because you're going to do this. I'm doing this live, so you can do the pitfalls. So usually what I do is, okay, this is a good idea. You take one of your plugs and you kind of stick this in here in a way that they don't fall over, and I'll show you this in a minute. So what you do is you put one of the plugs in there, and then that kind of shores them up, and then you're good and you won't have that problem again. So I'm going to stick this one over there. That'll go back on the shelf. And now I've actually got, how many spots left? 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 Wallflowers. Next time I'm at Bath & Body Works, I'm going to pick up 4, and then you'll be able to see that this is completely full, and then I will be happy because I've got fall, I've got tropical spring, I've got foodie spring, and I've got floral. So all is good in Wallflower land. This is a really good idea, you guys. So I find that this is the best way to store them. And then they're easy to access, and they don't take up a lot of room. So this is my storage solution for the Wallflowers. Let me know what you think. And if you have an idea, let me know, because I'm curious to see if there's something else I could be doing. So anyway, have an awesome Sunday, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.